Hello, Hopscotchers! We have a special announcement to make today. As you know, St. Patty's Day is right around the corner. It's on March 17th, 2020, and we have a special contest to celebrate. That's right, an official St. Patty's Day contest. To enter, code your own project in Hopscotch that's St. Patty's Day themed. It has to incorporate the color green and have at least one picture of a clover. Once you're done, publish your project and include GClover in the title. It stands for green clover. This is super important because that's how we'll find your project. Once you've created your project and published it with GClover in the title, you are officially entered. We can't wait to see the magical things you create. Just make sure to get your project in before March 17th. And just to get your inspiration running and some ideas flowing, here is a very special magical project coded by our very own Anna from Team Hopscotch. And it says, "Welcome to Magic Country. You have a unique opportunity to find a 4-leaf clover. When you find it, tap it to put it in your basket. And when you get enough, you'll get so much luck that it'll last you all of 2020. Good luck." I love the art. It's so colorful, green, filled with rainbows. The leprechaun's house, it's actually a hat. And the tree, if you look closely, has some mushrooms growing on the side. Where is the last 4-leaf clover? Oh, found it. Well done. You found your 4-leaf clover. You'll get lucky in everything you do for the rest of 2020. Woohoo! All right, Hops, one more week left to submit. We can't wait to see what you create. Good luck.